In front of me is REALME 9 Pro, and let me show you how to change system navigation on this device. So first of all, just reach the settings, go to system settings and mark system navigation. So you've got it at the top of the list. And here you can smoothly switch between button and gesture navigation. So from now on we smoothly can swipe from right to left and from left to right to go back, then slide up once to go back to home screen, and slide up once and hold it for a second to check the recent apps. So this is it. This is how you can activate gesture navigation. Obviously you can switch back to button navigation the same way. So smoothly reach settings, go to system settings, select system navigation, and here you can switch between both options, and obviously each of them can be managed below. So let me go back over here. So this is it. That would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.